the one from the old XC90, same color, but this one is on the passenger side, so they should be in pretty good condition. Like, it hasn't been set all the time, so I prefer the passenger side because it's not worn. And the seat on the Volvo, the seats are interchangeable. The passenger and the driver side, they are exactly the same. There's actually no difference in them. I think the color below is the one that changes. So yeah, and then it has a built-in heater, seat heater. Problem with this one is that, yep, this one is bad. The leather is still okay though, but yeah, I could put money. It's like an extra pocket in here. The foam is still in pretty good shape, so it's easy to do. Basically, we just like take this part off, remove the seat so that we will have access on this side. We don't even need to remove it from the car. So take the 4 bolts out at the back too, and then yep, so you got the trim out over here. This is a very long trim and then a short trim there, so it will expose the 4 bolts. I mean, yeah, the bolts here and the bolt here. This one and that one over there. I think it's probably 15 mm. So there's a plastic trim on this side. Yep, this plastic trim needs to be removed, and I think it's a T25 torque screws over here that you need to remove. Okay, once that plastic trim is out, I just like you just move it all the way. You could start peeling. You could start peeling this one out. I think you could use you could start on this side. I think a screw, a flathead is put in a flathead over here. You can just pry it out. Yep. So this one is loose. And same thing with the one over here. So you just like slowly take this out from the back, and now it's loose now. Once it's loosening up, it's going to be easy to remove the front and this on this side, not to pull it because there's a cable here for the heater. So yeah, don't pull on this side. Once you have this out and this out, this area here, the front will be easy to take out. Slowly peel this off. Just be patient. Don't need a lot of force to take out this one. Yep, so there you go. It's out, and you have to deal with the cable there. Yep. So if you look at that, the color is only, the difference is only on the color, and I think this one is because there's a like a sensor on the passenger side. So I think the passenger side has less padding to allow for the sensor. It should be fine. you won't probably notice it with your butt. But in terms of like the cable for the heater, they're the same. Yeah, same set of wires, same location. And this one, yeah, they're pretty much the same. They're made from Belgium. So I'm gonna fish out this wire. I think it's connected over here, down here. Yep, and then so I got the plug disconnected. You just push this one with a screwdriver and pull it, tug it. Okay, got the perimeter done, secured. Yep, including the back. Now I have a nice seat. So I'm gonna put the seat down. Here's the final product. Yep, everything works. And got a nice seat here. No tears, and it's also very firm. Well, not really firm as in the other cars. The Volvo actually has really nice seats, and heat works. Yep. Also good. One thing interesting. This is why I hear rattles, and this seat is loose. I wonder what's going on with this. Definitely this is loose. Okay, now the rattle is solved. There shouldn't be loose.